enters its fall 2025 lineup with a grade school exclusive Air Max 95 Black, Smoke Gray, and University Red, an extension of the earlier Air Max 90 Racing Pack. Though the brand no longer operates a motorsports division, speed-inspired aesthetics persist. This pair sports a sleek black and smoke gray leather upper with eye-catching University Red hits on the tongue, outsole, swoosh, and visible air units, bringing the classic Bred palette to life. Racing-style striped lace loops and 95 graphics on the insole nod to motorsport culture, echoing elements from the AM90 series. With its bold yet understated build, this edition honors the Air Max 95's 30th anniversary by blending heritage with high-octane styling. Nike's continued rollout of racing-themed kicks captures both nostalgia and energy, targeting younger audiences through GS sizing. The Air Max 95 Racing Pack in this colorway is expected to release in fall 2025, priced at $145.